Hey guys, welcome back to another Logan Fridge. Today we're going to be doing... What was that, guys? It sounds like a doorbell and it's literally thundering outside and raining. Let's see what's going on. Hey Hazel. There's a box on our doorstep. What's this? And who would have delivered this in the middle of a storm? Like, it's literally pouring. Here, show them the rain. It's literally pouring outside. Well, this looks like a mystery box from Buff City Soap. I don't know why I didn't think they had delivery, but maybe they do. Okay. So, this card says, we got life of the party, a black raspberry vanilla. Bath bomb, I think. Yeah, it says bath bomb and soap. So this is a black raspberry vanilla. I think it's the smaller one in here. The bigger one. Do you think you can see size-wise, guys? Looks like a different size, doesn't it? So there's one more thing in here. A soap. And it looks like a birthday cake. Looks like a birthday cake.
Cute. How's it smell?
It smells like a cake, kind of. These smell pretty good too. I can't really smell them though because I just smelled this. Well, anyways, guys, I think that's all that's in the box. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and go over to Buff City Soap. All of their stuff smells really good. And buy some soaps. The next opening of a Buff City Soap, I'm pretty sure you can get like a free soap. So if you find a Buff City Soap near you that's just now opening, go ahead and go up to that on the first day it's opening. I think they'll be giving the first 50 people in line free soaps. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.